If you think Volkswagen shows are just rows and rows of shiny campers, think again. I'm at Retro Dubs Festival, and this week we're going to see some really cool machines, from anything from slammed T4s to things on air ride. We're talking Beetles, we're talking loads and loads of really cool shit. So strap yourselves in and let's take a look at Retro Dubs Volkswagen show.
Frank Spencer!
Hello! Oh, I say, excuse me, come along.
Oh, go on.
Yes, you've got to let them through, you know.
Did you?
Yes. Anyway, I will not linger at your door. Away, I have to race.
It's got to go.
But I can tell you wish me well. By the look that's on your face. Bye-bye.
It's currently the Friday night. I don't normally film the Friday night. We're a little bit drunk right now. We got here on the Friday, we set up. Here comes my daughter. She had her first ever Jaeger bomb. We've already done Jaeger bombs together. My daughter's first apple sours.
They're so nice. I love them.
The next day.
This morning we are taking my T4 over to be on display with the Scarface Low Rider lot. So, I've got to shake off the hangover and get over there and see what it's all about, shall we? Also got the rat truck going in the normal show and shine display, so let's get on that. Right, okay, we just parked the van up in the Scarface Low Rider display. Check this out. Everyone is lined up along there. Should be more to come as well. All good, man, all good. So the field is filling up. You've got all the Scarface lot over there, all rolled in over there. Look at the big display they've got. From there all the way around to over there. So let's start here and have a look at the vans, shall we? Look at this lovely polished up black one. Look inside though. Hope no one's shagging in here. Look at that. That is very cool. A silver one. With a pop top and the canopy on the side, looking pretty cool. This is a bit of kit, this, look at this. This is a proper bit of kit, this one. Let's have a look in here. Yeah, bed up there, storage underneath obviously. Very cool. That's a cool little snowboardy thing on the top in front of the roof rack, that's a cool touch. Another one, you're going to get sick of T4 soon, aren't you lot? That's a cool one. Rocking the Borba A wheels. And a bit of glitter on the front wing. I don't know if you can pick up that shine. It's like a holographic glitter in this paint job. We've seen this before, haven't we? I think we have. We've got the moon equipped. Nice bay window, high top there. Really cool patina going on this. Nice green bus, same colour as mine. This has got some serious artwork going on all over it. Very cool, Ratafink style. Are these stickers? They've got to be stickers. Oh no, I think that's painted on. That is painted on. Very cool. Let's go down the lineup. Here we are, sat here. Looking not as low now. Here we go, we've got some proper low ones now. Let's check this out. Oh, I like the turbo sat on the top. Look at that. Look at the work on them, exhausts and that. It's very cool. Got some fries. It's nice colour green, that. Got some really cool paint jobs going on these ones. This one's properly slammed, look at that. It's very nice. We've got Chris's bus here, the bad stuff. It's been in the scene for a long time, this one. Very cool indeed. Very cool. Wicked paint job, man.
Cheers, mate.
So what do you do on the paint on this? You do the designs and then you whitewash it, do you? Or
I just, it's just layers of sort of paint on top of each other.
Yeah.
I get the. So it's more about the removal of the paint, than actually putting it on, because it's I put the paint on and I scrape it with a razor blade.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I do it because I've done other people's vans.
Yeah, I've seen that.
I do them like here. It's got to be quick.
Yeah,
There's no time for like waiting for paint dry and sanding.
Yeah.
So I'll even go at it before the paint's even had time to dry.
Yeah. Okay, it's cool, man. I like the effect. It's really cool. Yeah, it's a very cool paint effect he does on this. If you look close, I don't know if the sun's going to pick it up, but he says he removes paint. He paints it on and then scrapes the paint off to make the effect. It's very cool. It's a very cool effect. Got my little truck in the show and shine over here. Lined up with these lot here at the minute. Decided for this show and shine, I don't normally do this, but I decided to get the back seat out just to show people the little party trick it does. Look at that, back seat is out, spoilers looking cool. Very happy in the show and shine. We've got some cool stuff going on over there. There's not many people rolled in yet for the show, so I think everyone's still in bed, hungover. You've got the Scarface Low Rider lot over there. You've got this lot in the middle. You've got these lot over here. Got some cool Beetles and stuff here. They put them under a tree in the shade for some reason. But yeah, this is a lovely looking Beetle. Look at that. Wide 5 wheels. Nice nose down rake on it. Very, very clean. Look inside there. That is a very, very clean Beetle. Loving the cow look, nose down, big tyre on the rear. The look about it. Nice little Beetle rolling in there. There's still people rolling in. Lovely looking Cyclops split. Like in the bull bars on the front of that. Very cool. Oh look, it's the crew cab. Ah, it's got the fabric on the back. Loving that roof rack. Look at that roof rack, the way it follows the body. That's very nice indeed. Nice patina on this. Mark II Golf. I know it's not, it's always, you can see the back, it's a Jetta. Oh, why have you put a Golf front on a Jetta? Leave the Jetta front on, man. It looks like he's running a PD. Yeah, it's got a PD engine in that. Good man. Nice Mark II. Looks like it's got a R32 engine in it. Looks like a nice usable daily that. I'd daily that. I'm not really a Mark IV Golf man, but it looks quite cool. I've seen this before though, it shows. Mark IV Golf variant, if you want to call it that. It's an estate car. It's pretty cool that. Very clean looking one. I like the black and red details. The black with the red details on this. It's a very nice car. The BBS wheels, not sure if they're real. I doubt they're real, but they look good. Mark III, yes, with the Schmitz wheels. Do like a Mark III, do like a Mark III on Schmitz. Back in the day when I was a Mark III man, I had 12 Mark III Golfs. They always look good on the Schmitz, staggered as well on this. Yeah, we got this here. I've seen this at shows before. I've seen this at quite a few shows before, to be honest, but it's still a very cool thing. Right, we've got a bike display on, so let's have a look at some of these. You've got the old Skyways and stuff. I don't know much about bikes. I'm not going to film all these bikes for you, but yeah, they've got a nice bike show going on. There's like these trophies over there for. It's like a bike show and shine. You're right, mate. It's like a bike show and shine competition they've got going on over here, which is kind of cool. They do this every year at Retro Dubs. They were about the cars and the bikes at this show, so it's all good. But yeah, that's enough of the bikes. They're going to be calling the results for the bike show and shine soon, but let's face it, none of us care, do we? So, not sure I'm going to bother filming that. I actually walked over here thinking they were going to call the show and shine results for the vehicles, and then realised that that's tomorrow. So yeah, so you'll have to witness me getting drunk tonight, I suppose, and hopefully I won't be too hanging tomorrow to come and film again. I won't bother putting the T4 back on display tomorrow, but I'll bring the rat truck over because you never know, that stands a chance. We got the auto jumble this way, quite a large auto jumble. Then down there we got all the stalls. I'm not going to bore you with all the stalls, but yeah, got quite a lot of stuff going on. Well, I decided to, for some reason, buy myself a hat. Proper leather cowboy hat. I know I look like a complete bellend, but I don't care, I like it. So, might be my new look, people. I can see them doing stuff behind me. Well, that's the end of filming funky shots this weekend. I've just broken my gimbal. Oh well, get another one, I suppose. Chuck it in the van. Done. Right, do you know what? I'm actually a bit shocked. I actually thought there'd be more vehicles on display, but I've just realised tomorrow's the main show and shine. So tomorrow is when we get all the proper vehicles. Today is just a random one. So yeah. People in Retro Dubs are watching the channel. Hey, what's your name?
Mark and Shannon.
Mark and Shannon. You alright, Shannon? Yeah? Happy days. It's always good to meet people at shows and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Happy days. As a result of wearing my cowboy hat, I seem to now have a ring around my head. And everyone's laughing at me. It's not funny.
It is funny. I keep going.
For God's sake. I told you it was a bit tight, that hat. Check this out.
I'm not a chippy.
I don't care.
Well, I tell you what, it's still fucking decent.
Half a bread van. Look at that. He's got an oven and everything going on.
Piece of stone.
Yeah, piece of stones.
He's got a piece of
stone and my skillets in there. And then
wow. Tent on the roof.
storage.
Oh bloody hell! That's some serious. Jesus Christ! I wasn't expecting that. Fucking hell! So I take it this is for the kids, is it?
I've slept in this.
Oh, you're sleeping as well?
Daddy, is it finished?
Yeah.
Is it finished?
Not quite yet.
That's really cool, man. I like that.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. That's really cool. Fair play.
I've got a small stainless sink unit to go on the front of the A-frame that sits here. I've got to cut the legs down and modify it.
That's cool, man. That's cool. I like that. That's really cool, buddy. Oh yeah, that's cool, man.
Get off! What's he filming?
I'm filming you. I'm filming you.
You're standing me for protection.
Yes! I like
Let's have a pose then. Let's have a pose then.
Both of them, get them two. Oh. We would have to, the classic.
They wonder how I do it like that. Two-step, then I bring it right back. They wonder how I do it like that. Two-step, then I bring it right back. They wonder how I do it like that. Two-step, then I bring it right back. They wonder how I do it like that. 7-fit flex on the jacks on that.
That is the most attractive thing I've ever seen. I'm quite turned on.
Me or her?
Both together. Yeah, Simon's pulled. Simon's pulled.
Wank bank again.
Wank bank.
Has to shout that because she doesn't get it.
Thankfully. I mean, not thankfully. I mean, just by choice.
Joe's not got big dick energy, you know.
I think Tara's got big flap energy.
Big flap energy.
Chocolate muffin. Good night, all. Camera's there, isn't it?
The next day.
Good morning. Oh my God. What happened? Oh God. Oh, good morning. Today is the show and shine. I need to sort my head out because wow, what a night. Yeah, today's show and shine, so I'm not going to bother putting the T4 in the show and shine. I'm going to put the rat truck in the show and shine, see if we can win a trophy. Doubt it, but you never know. I used to win trophies all the time. Yeah, so that's what's going to happen today. First, I need to sort myself out because, well, you saw what happened last night. It doesn't matter how hanging I am, the show must go on. So let's get that over into the show and shine for the proper show and shine today, and let's get over there, get it done. Okay, we are now set up for the show and shine on the Sunday. This is the main event. 2 o'clock they're going to call the results. Not planning on, not thinking I'm going to win anything, but you never know. There we go. We're set up. I'm not going to do a walk and talk for the vehicles today. Let's just do a montage, shall we? Let's get into it. Check this out, Tempo Matador. Very, very cool build. Look in here, look at this stuff. How cool is this? Let's have a look in the back. Wow. Very, very cool that. Well, that is the end of today's video. I've still got the bloody headband mark on my head. Walking around the show looking like I've had a brain transplant. Anyway, that is the end of the show, people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that thing that I've forgotten what it's called. What's it called? Hype. Don't forget to hit the hype button and all that stuff. And yeah, cheers for watching, peeps. See you in the next one.